Hey everybody, Corsail Jacket here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a product review of the CAD USB recording microphone. Now, it looks like a stage microphone, maybe a little bit less bulky, and it also comes with a stand on it. Here's just the back portion. You can pause the video if you care to read the back. Made in China, yada yada. So, this arrived in blister packaging. So, let me just get this off. And, yeah. Alright, so we have the blister packaging open, and this is the stand, I believe, or it might be part of it. So we're just going to put that down. Here in the back we have all the electronic parts to it. Some more parts. Here is all the cording to it. And we're just going to take this out haphazardly. So, just going to move all the garbage to one side. And this is it. The CAD USB microphone. The plastic feels smooth, which is nice. This is a built-in pop filter to it, so it should minimize popping. So if you don't want to buy a pop filter, even though they're kind of inexpensive, you don't have to. Just depends on what you're doing. Some stand parts. I think this is the clip where the microphone goes. Yep. And then here's the stand itself. Now I'm going to cut, and it's going to be all assembled. Alright, so after you're done assembling it, this should be your finished product. So you can pivot this like so. The stand is pretty easy to assemble. It only took me like a minute or so to figure out how to put it together. The directions don't include how to set up the stand, so you're going to have to figure it out yourself. But it's not too hard to understand. So this is what it looks like. Now, here's the USB cord. Now, you're going to move on to the section where we actually test the product. Compared to what I have now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the magic happens. This is where my computer is. It's a complete mess, as you can tell. Now, what do I use for a microphone? Right here is, this used to be a headset from a Turtle Beach Air Force, I think. And, since you can see there's a speaker at the bottom right here. There's supposed to be like foam padding on it, and then that would be a, one side of the headset, and then it would come off, and then another speaker, and then imagine this to be a headset, but it's missing most of it because I cut the rest of it off, so that I could just have the mic. Because weird thing about the Turtle Beach Air Force, or just might have been the one that I got, is right here. That's where the I don't know what exactly you call it, the bridge that connects the two speakers together on the headset, that's where it snapped. And it did it to one side, and it also did it to the other side, so then that made me upset, and then I just took the mic. And this is the mic that I've been using for a very long time. And some people might have noticed that the audio quality of some of my videos have changed to a certain point. Because back in some of my other videos, the static would be very horrendous, absolutely atrocious, where it would just be like like that the whole time. Now for most of my videos, the static is slight. And I've actually been using the same microphone, and I'll show you how I managed to do it. So, this is what I plug into my headset microphone to give it better sound quality, get rid of most of the static. Now, what on it, it says 7.1 channel sound, and the focus might not be doing so good right now, but 7.1 channel sound. And there's just a USB that you plug in, and over here is a microphone port and then a earbud port, or headphones. And this helps with, this is a cheap solution to fixing bad mic problems. Obviously, a more expensive solution would be to buy a better microphone. But I'm not saying that's a better microphone just yet, because I haven't reviewed it just yet. Oh, spoilers. So right now, what I'm using is, I'm using my Earforce headset microphone with the sound card in it. So, the sound card, it does a pretty good job. It's a lot better than what the microphone used to be. It definitely insulates it more. I'll put up a picture of the headset microphone compared to the USB one. You can see that when I go silent, there's a little bit of fuzzy there, so that means that there's still static in it. Now, the CAD USB microphone probably won't be able to be completely silent when I talk, but I'm hoping that the static will be much less. Alright, and here comes the amazing part about this, is not the cords. I like that it has a long cord, but that's something that I'll have to fix off camera. So, handy dandy USB. You know, you just go down here, unplug your stupid graphics tablet. You don't need a graphics tablet. Just plug it in. Like that. And then your computer should be installing it. And then should be ready for use pretty soon. Alright guys, so there's something that I need to share about this. So, as I was in Audacity trying to test this out, I was extremely, absolutely frustrated, and I thought this microphone was broken, because every time I would go and try to record a file in Audacity, there'd be this insane, absolutely just like extremely annoying humming sound. And it's really high-pitched. And I didn't know how to deal with it. I thought that the microphone was broken, I would have to send it back, hopefully try to get refunded for it, and then I realized something. I turned this light off, and then I tried recording again. The high-pitched noise wasn't there. This microphone is picking up the humming sound from the fluorescent light right up here. Okay, I'm not kidding, I'm going to demonstrate it. Okay, so right now I'm talking with the CAD USB microphone that I just ordered. I've already listened to audio files of it before. It's pretty good. I'm going to show a picture and you'll see that the static isn't that bad. And now I'm going to do a test for you. So here's some silence. Alright, so there was some silence right there. And now here's some silence with the light turned on. So right now you're noticing a very high-pitched noise that is now in the background because I turned the light on. That's a problem. Let's turn the light back off. It seems like the sound went away, doesn't it? Yeah. So, the CAD USB microphone does not mix well with lights. Maybe that's just my problem, but if you get a high-pitched noise, you might want to consider that it's picking up something, and not just that the microphone's broken. So, regardless of the light problem, that doesn't really matter. The CAD USB microphone is a pretty good microphone to get. depending on your needs. If you're just doing what I'm doing, then it's fine for me. For $40, well, it's a little bit below for $40, but for around that price, you get an okay microphone. But if you're willing to spend more, then just like buy a snowball or something. But this is also a good microphone. You can also buy them refurbished, so that's a better deal for you. And yeah, so that was my product review.